Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you the Photoshop retouch, and it will make the game-changing technique for you. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first we'll open up the photo. So press Ctrl or Command J and then make this one color blur. And first of all we'll do the spot removing, so by the help of the spot healing brush tool. So we can just go over there and remove the spot which are prominent in a face. Suppose in this portion and in this portion, this portion and this portion, you can remove those. So after removing those prominent spot, suppose in this portion we are getting here the prominent spot, and in this portion here, in this area, that's good. In a hand as well, so you can remove that. Take your time to remove those things, and the next steps are too easy to do that. So when you're doing that, you have to provide time and you have to be slow and steady, because of this thing is most important to do that. Otherwise your output won't be perfect and satisfying. I would suggest you to take the time and removing those things in a peaceful mind, otherwise it won't work properly. So already we made the prominent spot removed from the face, and we'll go or jump into the next step. So already removed, and after that press Ctrl J another one and making this name texture. That's fine. Turn off the texture layer, going to the color burn layer, that's fine, and going to the filter and then blur and then Gaussian blur. So in this portion I would suggest you to do that into the blurry, the texture gone. So I'll make this one 9.5. that's good for me. In this case I'm making this one 9.5. in your case it could be bigger or the lower value, and hit OK. So after that going to the texture layer, and after that going to the image and going to the apply image. In this portion we'll make this one color burn, this texture layer, meaning the color burn layer, and then make this one subtract and the scale value 2 and the offset value 128. Rest of the thing is OK, and hit OK. And after that turn off that and going to the color brush or color blur, and after that going to the brush tool and going to the mixer brush tool. In this mixture brush tool we have some setup, and follow my setup accordingly. The weight 8% and the load 90%, the mix 90%, flow 80%, that's fine, and rest of the thing is okay. And now the time is to do brush. So do brush like that, don't take or don't do hurry like that, or you have to take time to make the brush like that. So I want to say don't do the brush to the edgy area, otherwise the photo will lose the sharpness of the edges. So if the photo lose the sharpness of the edges, the photo won't be proper thing or proper got the proper expected result for you. So already we are done to do that. That's fine. So now time to turn on this texture layer and make this one into the linear light. So let's see, we are getting the full texture and everything is good, and spot is removed. So if we see the previous image was like that, and you are getting the after image like that. So hope that you learn something new in this video. If you did, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.